everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, welcome. My name is Shauna. I am a New York City based fashion model and lover of makeup. Today we're doing a special video in honor of the mothers of the founders of Doubledown Cosmetics, Babs, the mother of Kristen, and Gloria, the mother of Marvin from Doubledown. And this is the BabsGlo, the color that is named after both of them, and it's a stunning matte purple. It is the most vibrant purple that I've seen in the non-toxic beauty community, the conscious beauty community, and I love it. I've used it in many looks, and this is going to be the focal point of today's look. But you know me, of course I'm not going to do just one color. It's going to be relatively simple for me though. I also am going to bring in the fire to give it a regal feel. And then just because the dress that I'm going to be wearing is green, even though it's a different green, I'm definitely going to be pulling in the unity. And I may use, why is the name of this other green escaping me? I think it's the Belief. Yeah, I may use the Belief as well, but definitely I'm going to be using the unity. And then I thought it would be fun to do something a little different. I've never used the BabsGlo on the cheeks, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to do an ombre moment and do the cosmic on the cheeks in this area, and then in the back do some of the BabsGlo and create like that, a nice blended ombre effect. It'll be a little different, but I thought it would be fun. And then for the lips, I'm going to be wearing the Rebel lip gloss, which is a reddish pink lip gloss, and it's semi-sheer. So yeah, let's just get into the look. I'm really excited to do this look. I'm happy to honor them. They feel like family to me, and they are family to me. And I can't wait to see what I come up with. So let's get right into it. So we're starting out with the star of this look, which is of course the BabsGlo. It is a gorgeous matte purple shade. And I'm first taking it in the crease, and then I basically ended up taking it all the way up to the brow and just faded it up so that there was kind of a gradient effect as it reached the brow. And then I did also take it on the lid as well. And I'm placing that on the inner half of the lid, and it's a nice slightly metallic yellow golden shade. And now to begin the work under the eye, I'm taking the shade The Unity, which is a metallic green shade, and then I'm also going to be going in with the Strength, which is another more vibrant metallic green shade, and both of these are from the Future collection with Media J. And now for the inner eye highlight color, I am taking the Fortune from the Ancestral Collection Volume 1. And now to start the work on the cheeks, I'm taking the Cosmic, which is a champagne pink shade. It has a very slight shimmer to it. And I'm placing this on the lower section of the cheeks and then bringing it back. And now I'm going in once again with the BabsGlo, and I'm using it as a blush, which I've never done this before with this shade, but I thought it would be fun to try a new application of it. And I will say there was a lot of back and forth. I mean, this product is not made to be a blush, and so I kept adding more of it, and then I also, to just have a smoother blend of the colors, I went back in eventually and added some more of the Cosmic. And I was happy with the end result, but it was a bit of a process to get this to look the way I wanted. And in once more with the Fortune and using it as my cheek and brow bone highlight color. And now to finish off the look, I'm going in with the Rebel lip gloss, and this is kind of like a raspberry pink shade, and it's semi-sheer, so I did layer on a couple layers just to make the color build up a bit more. Look, I think it came out really pretty. Admittedly, I struggled a bit with the blush at first because when I added the purple, it was a bit severe, but then when I added some more of the Cosmic back into it, I think that it worked. I think everything together, it's a very bold look for sure, but I think that it works really well together. My eyes are definitely the favorite part, and this gloss like fits in perfectly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any comments below, any questions, any looks that you would like to see me do, definitely leave a comment down below. If you're not subscribed, then please do so, and like the video to help my engagement. I would love to get my channel growing and expanding in front of more people's eyes. So yeah, I stay tuned a few more seconds to see the photos that I'm about to take in the full look. And until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye.